Another bus following it. Okay, that'll pick him up. Where'd the bus go? Oh gosh, according to Robloxian Geological Survey. Yo guys, we're on the San Andreas fault, but we're about to die. Oh, an earthquake is hitting the city. Guys, get inside the church. I'm literally recording this on Easter. Sergito! Sergito! Get inside of the church already. What are you doing? Oh, the shaking has stopped, but the hole in the north of the city is widening. Bro, who is widening their hole? What the hell? Where's Red? He's dead. I'm not dead. What are you saying? I'm right here. Like, who is this? I think this is Sergito from earlier. He has a limo.
A tornado warning has been issued for Elk County and Lackawanna County, effective until 7:37 p.m.
Bro, get out of here, bro. Get in the hospital. Okay, this is the strategy. Trust me. If you get injured, the hospital will literally just take care of you. Oh my gosh, bro. The blizzard is like getting stronger. But I'm starting to lose health. Like, what the hell am I supposed to do? Okay, the blizzard's disappearing. All right, we can get out of here. I'm following this guy in his limo. I